Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video has been filmed by my student. I would like to thank him first. This is a requested video for IPC, Indian Penal Code. So this is basically I'll give you the section numbers. So I would request you all to note down. I have my notes here. So I'm just going to give you the section numbers, and I'm going to teach you the two types of offenses, which is bailable, non-bailable, and according to those I'm going to teach you the section numbers. So now coming with what is bailable offense. Bailable offense is an offense where bail is being granted, and it was also shown in the first schedule, which is available according to CRPC. So bailable offense is not a serious offense. It is not something which is very serious, and it is somewhere where bail can be granted. The accused person can ask for bail as a matter of right. Okay, so the accused person can ask bail. He can also take the bail, or he can also get a bail grant from the court of law, or he can get the bail grant easily. It is not a very serious offense, and all offenses where punishment is less than 3 years without death penalty is said to be bailable offenses. So firstly, what I told, if they are easily granted bail, it is said to be a bailable offense, and if the offense is if the punishment is less than 3 years, it is said to be bailable offense, and then if it is not a serious offense, it is said to be bailable offense. So according to first schedule, we have certain offenses which are bailable. So 120A and 120B is criminal conspiracy. I would like you all to note down this, so that it's going to help you. 120A, 120B is criminal conspiracy. Section 143, being a member of an unlawful assembly. So if you're a member of an unlawful assembly, that is section number 143. The punishment for that is 6 months. Then joining an unlawful assembly with a deadly weapon, which is section number 144. 143 and 144 is almost used every time. That is unlawful assembly. You're not supposed to make an assembly of 3 or 4 or 5 people. So it is the unlawful assembly is that. So section 143 and 144. Section 147 is rioting. Section 148 is writing with armed weapons. Section 160 is committing affray. Section 171 is bribery in election. And section 171F is undue influence at an election. So now coming to non-bailable offense, which is very, very important. All the important section numbers are in this. So we'll go with what is non-bailable offense. Non-bailable offense is something where bail is not granted very easily. In bailable offense, you saw that the bail was granted very easily and the punishment was less than 2 years. When you come to non-bailable offenses, the bail is not granted very easily, and it is usually a very serious offense like rape, murder, dowry death, or culpable homicide. So all these include under serious offenses, that is non-bailable offense. In the case of non-bailable offense, it is punishable for more than 3 years of imprisonment along with death penalty. Such offenses are non-bailable. If the woman or accused is under 18 years of age, the offenses is either handed over to the juvenile justice board or correct. So this is what if the offense is being committed by a person who is under 18 years, there is something called as juvenile justice board. The court or the magistrate does not involve in this. So only the juvenile justice board, they'll be sent to a remand home or something like that. So non-bailable offense is something which is very serious. Bail is not granted very easily. So all the serious offenses like rape, murder, dowry death, culpable homicide comes under non-bailable offense, and the punishment is more than 3 years of imprisonment. Now according to the schedule, the non-bailable offenses are as follows. We have a few non-bailable offenses here also. We have section number 302, which is murder. So for murder, there is punishment, that is death and imprisonment for life. Then murder by a person under imprisonment of life is death. Then we have section number 304, which is culpable homicide. Okay, and we have section number 304B, and then we have section number 308, which is attempt to commit culpable homicide. We have section 313, which is causing miscarriage without a woman's consent. Section 364, which is kidnapping in order to murder. Section 364 subsection A, kidnapping for reason. Section 376 will be rape. Section 384 will be extortion. Section 392 will be robbery. So what I would ask you to do is just make a box kind of thing and write down all the offenses and write down the punishments, and you can just write down the section numbers in one place, which will be helpful for you. That is what I did with my thing. So we have gone through with what is bailable and non-bailable offense. Bailable, where bail is being granted, and the punishment, if it is less than 3 years, it is said to be a bailable offense, and it is not a very serious offense. It's a very mild offense. Okay, it's like criminal conspiracy or writing or bribing someone in election or undue influence. When you come to non-bailable offense, it is something which is very serious, and the punishment or the thing is more than 3 years along with death penalty. And then according to these schedules, we have like the various things I told: section 302 murder, section 303 murder by a person under imprisonment for life, 304 culpable homicide, 304B dowry death. We also have 326 voluntary causing grievous hurt, 364 kidnapping, then we have 376 rape, extortion, robbery. So I will just try to link down all these section numbers below. Now coming with cognizable offense. Cognizable offense is an offense for which accused can be arrested without a warrant. So it's something which is very, very serious. Okay, so because if he tries to hide himself, and if he tries to tamper the evidence, what the police tries to do is, without any special warrant, the police starts checking, and the police will immediately, without any arrest warrant, they have a right to arrest that person. Whereas when you come with non-cognizable offense, it is not like that. Without an arrest warrant, a person cannot be arrested. So that is a non-cognizable offense. So we have 4 types of offense: one which is bailable offense, one which is non-bailable. Bailable, easily bail is granted, the imprisonment is less than 3 years, and then this is not a serious offense. Non-bailable, it is a serious offense, the punishment is more than 3 years, and also we have all very critical cases there coming there. Now coming with cognizable offense, it is an offense for which accused can be arrested without a warrant. So for example, here an accused while committing an offense may try to hide himself and may try to tamper the evidence. So it is important to arrest such persons immediately. So what happens is, if he tries to tamper the evidence, it is very important for the police people to immediately arrest them, because he may tamper the evidence. So it is an offense where a warrant is not required. The person can be arrested immediately without any warrant. Now coming to non-cognizable offense, without a warrant, a person should not be arrested. So he should be arrested with a warrant only. So it's usually, which is it's not such a serious offense. Okay, it's like the bailable offense, like the unlawful assembly, writing, and all of that. So I hope this is very helpful. You'll also get what is the difference between cognizable offense and non-cognizable offense, or bailable offense and non-bailable offense. Just try to jot down all this. These all recommendations are mine. I am also a law student. I would like to tell that all of my opinions are on my own, so don't take it as an expert opinion. But since I cleared all my subjects and all of that, I thought, why not start a YouTubing channel. I've come to 66 subscribers. If you like this video, and if you think this video is helpful, I think one of the guys called Nitin Samudrala had requested for this video. If you like this video, please do press the like button. Please do comment below what kind of videos you need. And also, thank you for 66 subscribers. Make sure that I reach at least a little more, and thank you for all your support.